You already know you're not lazy, so why can't you focus, even when you try? You sit down to work, and within minutes, your mind looks for a way out. This is where most people get it wrong. They think focus is something you force. It's not. Focus is something your brain allows when it's not overwhelmed. Right now, your brain is trained for constant stimulation, fast content, quick rewards, endless switching. So when you try to focus, your brain doesn't fail. It reacts. It looks for something easier, something faster, something more rewarding. That's why you don't just lose focus. You escape discomfort. So if the problem isn't discipline, what is it that actually works? Step 1. Reduce stimulation. No phone next to you. No background noise. No switching between tasks. You're not removing distractions. You're lowering your brain's expectations. Step 2. Train focus in small blocks. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes. Start with 5, then 10, then a little more. You're not testing your focus. You're rebuilding it. Step 3. Stay when it gets uncomfortable. This is the part most people avoid. The moment your brain wants to escape, that's the moment you should stay, even for a few seconds longer. That's where the actual change happens. This is why most people never improve their focus. They remove discomfort instead of adapting to it. It's like going to the gym and stopping the moment it gets hard, or trying to build patience with a child, but reacting the second things get frustrating. Nothing changes, because the moment that feels uncomfortable is the moment that actually trains you. You see, you don't fix your attention span by trying harder. You fix it by changing how your brain responds to effort. And once you do that, focus stops being a struggle and becomes something you can actually control.